Let's take a listen. Wow, what is that sound? Do you have an idea what it is? How about let's take a listen one more time? Still don't have a clue? Yeah, same here. Well, let's look at the screen and find out. Drum roll, please. It's a southern cassowary. Did you know cassowaries are one of the closest living species to dinosaurs? I can hear that. They mostly eat fruit, and some of these fruit are toxic to other animals, so they play a significant role in seed dispersal through the forest. We'll see you next time on